welcome to episode 3 of our YouTube series. So today we'll be looking at the fourth tool, which is the quick selection tool. As you can see, this is what you see. You can increase it by pressing brackets close and brackets open to reduce on your keyboard. You can reduce and increase it to how you see fit. So this is the quick selection tool, which you can use to quickly select whatever you want without using crop tool or lasso tool to pick it and stuff like that. So you can reduce it if you want to select this smaller portion, and you can do as you please with your selection. Control D to deselect, same thing. So this is plus, like we saw in the last episode. I showed you guys where you could press Alt to subtract a selection, Shift to add a selection, and the last option. For here we only have 3 options, not like the lasso tools. Here we could add, and if you click this, you can subtract it to remove a selected portion out of it. The quick selection tool makes you could select objects or areas or colors easily instead of using the lasso tool to trace directly, which will waste a lot of time. This saves time, and the shortcut is W. Then we also have the magic wand tool. As you can see, this magic wand is actually good for selecting areas that the colors are the same or the gradient is not much, the variation of colors are not much, as you can see. But if I click here, it selects only the areas with the deep green. Same here, it will only select the areas with the same colors or shades. But when you click here, you can see it selects more uniformly because their shades are close to each other. So that's it, the quick selection tool and the magic wand tool. For the shortcut is W. So if we want to go back to the pick tool, then W to select that, Shift W to choose the tools in between, to switch between each tools. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, give these videos a thumbs up, share. I would also love to hear what you think. I would also love to see how you've used each tools. See you in the next episode.